How to remove Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can remove page from Meta Business Suite. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, you need to open up your browser and search for Meta Business Suite or go business.facebook.com. After that, log in into your page account, and on the left side of your screen you should be able to see settings. So simply click on settings and wait for it to load. So under settings there will be accounts and section, so simply tap on pages there and look up for the page that you have. So here right now you can see I only have one page on my Facebook account, let's say. So here, if you have more than one page or how many pages you have, you just need to simply click on your page and it will show you this option where you will be able to see this remove option very easily. So you just need to tap on that remove option and that particular page will be removed from your Meta Business Suite. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to remove your page from Meta Business Suite. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.